Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Vampire Pusheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the head. Then on each side, let's draw a large curve up and down for the ears. Now top back to the center, and underneath, let's draw a curve down and up. And the same thing on the right and the left. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw two curves down and out like this. Now let's add two V-shaped points down for the fangs. And then hop out and let's draw a circle on each side for the eyes. And let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and let's draw the bow. Let's leave a gap and let's draw an oval underneath. Then from each side, let's curve it up and down like this. And then let's angle it back in underneath. And two more V-shaped points in on each side. Now underneath in the center, let's draw a curve down on the left and right. And curve it up at the bottom. And one more bump in the center. And that's it for the bow tie. Now let's hop out and let's draw the collar of the jacket by drawing two long curves out and up. Then let's curve it back in underneath. And one more curve back into the bow. Now that we're done the collar, let's finish off the sides of the head by continuing the ears down on each side. And then on each side of the head, let's draw two curves out for the whiskers. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down and curve it up for the arms. And then let's add a curve across inside. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down on each side for the sides of the jacket. And then let's hop to the center and we're going to move slightly over to the left and let's draw a line down and angle it over to the right side. And then another angle down to the left underneath. And then let's curve it out to close off each side of the jacket. Now let's hop inside and let's draw some details. In the center here, let's draw 4 small circles. and then color them all in black. Now top to the bottom corners, and let's draw 2 rectangles like this. And that's it for the jacket. Now let's hop underneath and finish off the body. Let's start on the left, and let's hop in, and let's draw a curve down and in. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's add a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and draw the feet. On the left, let's draw a curve up and bring it down, and the same on the right side. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's draw the cape. Let's start on the sides, and let's draw a curve down and out on each side. And then let's curve it back in underneath. And that's it for Vampire Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!